Hi guys, hello everyone. I'm here again, and from my heart to your heart, I would like to share another thing that putting better my day, my energy, and I would like to share that energy with you guys. That comes from a exercise that I do with some kind of meditation to get in touch with my inner child that I called Little Pepe. That's here is Little Pepe. Yeah. So I always visualize that picture of me when I was 1 year old because I don't know why, but I feel good when I always see that picture of me, and even when I remember that image. So the visualization is very good to to help us to open more our heart and put a little bit more from the side, t- uh, uh, get the mind out of the way of the heart perspective. So that's the heart perspective is as well little Pepe perspective. So that's very good. Connect us with love energy. So then love energy is going to help us to perceive all around us from the perspective of love. So with this, the result of this, we can create a better, happier, and enjoyable life. Okay, and I'm going to share that now because so interesting. Because today my little Pepe, maybe through my angel, my heart too here, my Mel, my little dog, her picture here, yeah, and she decided to sit outside here in our backyard, and she asked me to come with her and sit here. And then that picture that I'm showing is when I was sit here early in the morning with my precious coffee time. I love that. And with Mel, that's so comfy and very good vibe and energy. And then I pay attention to that tree that I like very much in my backyard. And my I start to meditate, and I felt I would I asked that tree to send a message to me, and I like that because I feel good because I start to look at that tree, and I figure out that the position that I was sitting, drink my coffee, meditation with Mel, that position, that point of view, I look at and I figure out that as that tree was look at me like that, above, look at, and a little bit the head in the not so, it's like this, yeah, in a diagonal way, and wow, oh, that's so nice, and I figure out we are connected with the nature. We are the nature. We are not a part of the nature. So I got my my notebook, and I start to write what came to me, what I feel. I don't know how I feel, and I write. And I think, and I feel, not think. I feel. My friend here sent sent a message to me, and I'm going to read now. Okay, it was in English. English. I'm living in Netherlands right now, and I don't know why, but so I don't need to know why. I just need to follow the flow. So some message I feel in English that's interesting because I'm Brazilian and I'm with Portuguese. So I don't know, maybe help me to train and improve more my English. I hope you all understand understand me. Now I'm going to read, okay? I look at I look at you from above. You look at me from below. That's the connection. I look at you. I look at your heart. You look at my heart. That's the feeling. From the heart, there is only love vibration. From the heart, there is only love vibration. Put your heart in action to bring love through you for the planet. Love comes from everywhere. Just look all little things around you with your heart, and you will feel that all those little things around you are always sending love to you. Always pay attention. Thank you. I love it. I feel good. I'm feeling good. Yeah, I don't know explain, but why we need to explain? Just feel and follow the flow. The love, we have love all, all the time, always. Through us. The universe has sent love through us. And love energy, it transforms your life for the high vibration with happiness and abundance. Believe that everything is okay. Everything is okay because love is everywhere. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah. And I'm going to, oh, it's raining. I have to go now. And I'm going to leave you guys with that picture from my most wonderful friend tree that I figure out when I pay attention. That tree was really look at me. I could perceive after this message, when I saw the picture, kind of eyes look at me. Yeah, that's amazing. I like it. Okay? And trust. Bye bye. See you all the time. Yeah? Love you. Love you. Love you. And thank you, thank you, thank you.